How to set up Google 2FA for any app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you have the Google Authenticator application installed on your device, and if not, then go ahead and download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, open the app or visit the website where you want to enable 2FA in and navigate to the Security or Account Settings section. This might be under headings like Login Security, Authentication, or Advanced Security Settings. Further enable 2FA. For instance, if you want to enable 2FA on your Google account, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for google.com and make sure you are signed in to the account where you want to enable 2FA. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon and further tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. Now, tap on the Security option from the top toolbar and further scroll down and you will see the two-factor authentication option. Tap on that. Now, tap on the two-step verification button and you will then be prompted to enter your phone number. So, go ahead and select your country code and further enter your phone number and tap on Next. You will then receive a verification code on the number you just entered. So, go ahead and enter the code and tap on the Verify button, and with this, 2FA will be enabled on Google. You can further go ahead and copy the setup key and enter the account name and setup key in Google Authenticator for future purpose. So this is how you can set up Google 2FA for any app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.